We'd like to share with you some of the features of the Trabr app for owner builders and renovators, which is now available in the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. Download the app, enter your phone number and password. You'll get a verification code then to enter. It's a security measure called two-factor authentication. Complete your details to create your profile and you're good to go. Trabr is almost intuitive to use, but we've included some onboarding screens and a demo project to help you get the most from the app. You're now ready to create your first project. At the main project screen, you can create a project here by tapping on the plus sign. Select if you are managing the project or not, if you're renovating a home yourself or with a team of tradespeople, or if you're an owner builder, then select yes. Select yes or no if you own the property or not. This helps us to ensure that your Trabr journey is really relevant to your needs. Then enter the address of your project. Your project's address is the name of the project, but you can change that later to suit. So your first project is ready to go in Trabr.